In this video, learn how to leverage Claude for generating efficient test cases in Python projects. Enhance your testing efficiency and reliability with these skills. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into a powerful tool that can revolutionize your Python projects, Claude. Do you ever find yourself spending countless hours writing test cases? Or perhaps, you're struggling to enhance the reliability of your software? Well, Claude might be the solution you're looking for. It's a tool designed to help you generate efficient test cases, saving you time and improving the reliability of your software. In this video, we'll explore how to set up Claude, use it for generating basic and advanced test cases, and integrate it with popular Python testing frameworks. Stick around to discover how Claude can streamline your testing process, with real-world applications and troubleshooting tips included.
Let's get started with setting up Claude in your Python environment. First, ensure you have Python and pip installed. If you haven't, download them from the official Python website. Once you're all set, open your terminal or command prompt and execute the command, pip install Claude. This will install Claude into your Python environment. After installation, you need to configure Claude by creating a configuration file. This file will include necessary parameters like API keys and project settings. Now, let's verify the setup by running a simple command, Claude version. This should display the current version of Claude installed. If you encounter any issues during installation, ensure your Python and pip versions are up to date. Common problems often arise from outdated versions or missing dependencies. By the end of this block, you should have Claude successfully set up and ready to use in your Python projects. Once Claude is set up, you can start generating basic test cases. But what exactly are basic test cases? These are simple tests designed to verify the fundamental behavior of your code. To generate these using Claude, begin by identifying the functions or modules you want to test. Use the command, Claude generate tests module_name to initiate the process. Claude will analyze your code and produce a set of test cases. These tests will cover various input scenarios and expected outputs. One of the major benefits of using Claude is its ability to automate test creation, saving you countless hours of manual work. Additionally, Claude improves your test coverage by identifying edge cases that you might have missed. Once the test cases are generated, run them to check for errors or failed tests. This step is crucial for interpreting the results and making necessary code adjustments. Thus, using Claude not only streamlines the process but also enhances the quality and reliability of your software.
Moving on to more complex scenarios, Claude can handle advanced test cases with ease. Advanced test cases are designed to simulate more intricate and challenging conditions. For example, when working with large datasets, Claude can generate tests that ensure your code performs efficiently under high loads. To customize these tests, you can specify parameters in the configuration file, tailoring the test to meet specific needs. This flexibility allows you to conduct stress and performance testing, pushing your code to its limits to identify potential bottlenecks. Furthermore, Claude can extend functionalities by integrating with other tools for data analysis and visualization. This block emphasizes the importance of not just testing for functionality, but also for performance and scalability. By mastering advanced test case generation with Claude, you'll be well equipped to handle any challenge your Python projects might present.
To maximize Claude's potential, consider integrating it with popular Python testing frameworks such as PyTest, Unitest, or Nose. These frameworks provide a robust structure for organizing and running your tests. The integration process is straightforward. First, ensure that both Claude and your chosen testing framework are installed. Then, modify your test scripts to incorporate Claude-generated tests. The benefits of this integration are manifold. It allows for consistent test execution and reporting, providing a comprehensive view of your test results. Additionally, you can leverage the framework's features such as fixtures, parameterized tests, and plugins to enhance your testing strategy. Maintaining test consistency is crucial, and integrating Claude with these frameworks ensures your tests are organized, readable, and reusable. By the end of this block, you'll have a seamless testing environment that combines the strengths of Claude and your preferred testing framework. Why should you use Claude for your testing needs? The efficiency benefits are significant. One of the primary advantages is time savings. By automating the generation of test cases, Claude reduces the time spent on manual test writing. This automation also extends to repetitive tasks, allowing developers to focus on more critical aspects of software development. Another key benefit is enhanced test coverage. Claude systematically generates test cases that might be overlooked by manual testing, ensuring more comprehensive coverage of potential scenarios. This reduces the risk of human error and improves the overall reliability and quality of your software. By adopting Claude in your testing strategy, you're not just saving time, but also enhancing the robustness of your code, making it more resilient to bugs and errors. Let's look at some real-world applications and case studies where Claude has made a significant impact. Various industries, from finance to healthcare, have successfully implemented Claude to streamline their testing processes. For instance, in a large-scale project involving a complex financial application, Claude was used to generate thousands of test cases, reducing the testing phase from weeks to days. This not only expedited the development cycle but also improved the product's reliability. Another case study highlights a healthcare startup that used Claude to ensure the accuracy of their data processing algorithms. The automation and comprehensive test coverage provided by Claude were critical to their success. These examples illustrate the transformative impact Claude can have on development cycles, enhancing efficiency and quality. By learning from these success stories, you can adopt best practices and apply them to your projects, harnessing the full potential of Claude. Even with the best tools, issues can arise. In this block, we'll focus on troubleshooting common problems you might encounter when using Claude. One frequent issue is configuration errors. Ensure your configuration file is correctly set up with all necessary parameters. If Claude fails to generate tests, check for syntax errors in your code or missing dependencies. Unexpected test failures can also occur, often due to changes in the codebase or environment. Use debugging tools and log files to trace the source of these failures. For more complex issues, consider consulting online forums or Claude's official support channels. There, you'll find a wealth of resources and community assistance to help resolve your problems. By understanding these common issues and their solutions, you can ensure a smooth and efficient testing process with Claude. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the transformative benefits of using Claude for Python test cases. From saving time and reducing errors to enhancing test coverage and reliability, Claude is a powerful tool for any developer. We encourage you to implement Claude in your projects and experience these benefits firsthand. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Claude. Share them in the comments below. Also, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Engage with our community, and let's continue learning and improving together. Thank you for watching.